Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to generate images in Perplexity AI. Alright, let's begin. First, open perplexity.ai and start a new chat. To generate an image, all you need to do is type a prompt describing the image you want. For example, you can type, "Create an image of a guy standing on a roller coaster while going down a big hill." Perplexity will then process your request and generate the image based on your prompt. It's important to note that image generation is only available with the Perplexity Pro plan. If you are on the free basic plan, you will not be able to generate images. The Pro plan provides unlimited searches, access to advanced AI models, and image generation features. Once the prompt is submitted, wait for Perplexity to process it. When the image is generated, you can view it right in the chat. If your image does not generate, double-check that you are subscribed to the Pro plan, as this is required to access the feature. While on the free plan, you can only use 3 Pro searches per day. So that's basically how you can generate images in Perplexity AI. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.